Massive home wins against Wigan for the Warrington Wolves, unprecedented in post-Second World War football. And you think it was just 2 wins and a draw against Wigan in 10 Super League clashes at Wilderspool. I don't know what the builders put in the cement at this place, but they did something. But here comes Amos Roberts, and Roberts, oh, Matt King has slipped, there's 2 men wide, and Roberts goes for it himself and scores. Amos Roberts, an outstanding Wigan try. Matt King's slip was the crucial moment.
They're still persevering with the inside ball, but it's been flagged up quite early.
Great ball from Monahan to Myler. Try for Warrington.
Gleeson has a right to contest for it, but unfortunately not that ball on.
And that's why Warrington have another raid on this Wigan line with Atkins driving it forward. Monahan again waits at dummy half and he finds Myler. Gives it to Solomona. I think this is a try for Solomona. Deacon waits. Deacon attacks the Warrington line. Here is Luluwai. And the change here for Roberts. And Roberts is in. But the referee will hand it upstairs to Phil Bentham. Oh, there are suggestions.
Martin Gleeson has on that play.
You see it better here. I think it's a leg from King, isn't it?
Maybe it's this involvement by Gleeson there. Maybe that's the bit that the referee is concerned.
Yeah, he's blocking Matt King.
Is he doing it on purpose, Phil? I'm not sure he is.
Well,
he's up in support there, that's what he's doing. He's up in support. They're both running the same way.
And he's not looking at King, is he?
No, he isn't. No, that's a try for me.
But as he got it down, that's the main thing. He certainly slides over, and I think King's left leg gets in front. Now, does it prevent it? No, it's not King, it's Mathers.
Try is there, the ball is down, but is it going to be given? And Phil Bentham says he has.
Well, are there a touch of nerves coming into this Warrington side? Wigan, well, they were being forced into just one-out football, and the first time they got it out wide, they scored, courtesy of Amos Roberts.
Breers with the ankle heavily iced. Deacon, back it goes to Tompkins. There's the pass to Luluwai, short ball then. Oh, an offload to Roberts, who's on the hat-trick. Remember Amos Roberts? He's on the hat-trick, this fellow! He's in! Roberts! Oh, it's another decision for the video referee.
That's popped out the back to Roberts, and I think right in the far corner at the last moment.
Does he get rid of it?
He does, don't worry about that, and it's a neat pass.
Gleeson's hanging around again.
Superb, that's a
beautiful pass.
That is wonderful. That is wonderful play. We saw it, didn't we? When we saw the pass from Chris Briggs that put Riley in exactly the same corner.
I think he's shot there at first,
yeah,
you know, but it rolls over.
He's got full control. This is turning into a thriller. Now you know why we love this game.
Why, because we can't remember people kicking goals.
Too true.
It's a fantastic match. Well, how long have we got left? 13 minutes. When's the first call coming for the one-pointer? And who's off the field? The expert of the one-point? Lee Breers, of course. He's on the bench and out of it.
Paul Deacon's a very good drop goal and good shot, Adrian Morley again.
Tompkins, oh, little dink over the top. It bounces perfectly. It's Luluwai, and it goes wide, and it's Joel Tompkins. And Joel Tompkins scores for Wigan. Sam Tompkins has had a quiet match, but in that blink of an eye, Sam Tompkins could have just turned this game Wigan's way. 13,000 in here. As I say, about 3 hours before the kick-off, they were announcing to people who were waiting outside, if you haven't got a ticket, go home. Penalty to Warrington now. They'll kick this, surely.
the corner, won't they?
Oh, they're running it. I thought they might have just taken the two then and come and run it late on.
Now they've got to camp down there. They've got to make sure that they get them into a position, if they do score, it's quite near to the post, so they can tie it all up.
Hyam trying to haunt his former club. He's injured, Hyam, as he knows. They're all over him, trying to slow him down. Morley, back he comes to Monaghan. There's the pass to Mathers. Here's a try for Anderson. Anderson is in. Kick to come to settle the Warrington nerves and get them back level.
All over the streets, I would imagine. This is pressure.
Massive kick for Chris Bridge. He's missed it.